Good morning, class. Today we will learn about the list in HTML. As in the previous sessions, we have discussed about some structured as well as the formatting elements in HTML. So today we are going to discuss about the list, how we can display our text in the form of points and lists. So list in HTML is same that as we have learned about the bulleted and the numbered list in MS Word to display the data or the text information in the points or in list format. So in HTML, we have the tag called li that is used to display the text in list or in points format. Li tag is an empty element, while in the previous versions of the HTML, this tag was used as as a container element. So li tag is inserted before the text that needs to be appeared in the list format. In HTML, the list is divided in there are three types of the list: the ordered list, unordered list, and the definition list. Ordered list and unordered list is the same like numbered list and the bulleted list in MS Word. Definition list is something different from these two lists. So we will discuss about these three type of list in this session. The first is ordered list. This list is also known as the numbered list, which uses an ordering system like numbers, letter, etc. Ordered lists are created using the OL tag. OL tag is the tag that is used to create the ordered list, and it is also known as numbered list. It is a container element. The items are tagged using the li tag. As I have already told you that the li tag needs to be put before the text that needs to be displayed in the list or in points format and appeared in numbered format like 1, 2, 3. This is the by default type of the OL list that will display the list text or in the points format and with the type numbered like 1, 2, 3. As you can see in the example, this is the syntax of OL list. Whatever the text that we want to write in list format, that we need to write between the opening and the closing of OL tag and following with the li tag before each and every text. And you can see the output also here, and it is displaying by default, and by default number is 1, 2, and 3. Now attributes of ordered list. As I told you that the by default type of ordered list is the number that display the list in ordering format, numbering format like 1, 2, 3. We have the we have one attribute called type, and this attribute is used to change the numbering styles. By default, the type of the ordered list is 1, and this attribute is used to start an ordered list with some other number like capital A, small a, Roman numeric number like capital I, Roman numeric number with small I also. As you can see in the syntax, how we can write the value of the type attribute. We will write the OL tag, then type attribute, then equal to any of the values. So type attribute can contain any of these five values. By default, it is 1. If you want to change it to some other type of value like capital A, capital I, and small I. Capital I is for the Roman numbers with capital letters. Small I with the Roman numbers with small letters. Capital A alphabets with capital letters like A, B, C, D, E. Small a alphabets in small letters like small a, small b, small c, etc. And in the next slide, we will see how this attribute change the type of the list. As you can see in this example, I have changed the type attribute and the value is A. And I have written the three line of text in the list format. So let's see the output. What will be the output, whether it will show in 1, 2, 3 or with ABC. You can see the output. The list is appearing with capital alphabets like A, B, C. So it is because of I have changed the value of the type attribute to capital A, while the default type of the OL list is 1, numerical 1. The another attribute of OL list is the start attribute. The start attribute is used to change the beginning value of a number for an ordered list. Yeah, so this is used to change the beginning or the start value of your ordered list, from which position that ordered list will start. As you can see in the example, I have written that OL type is equal to A, start is equal to 5. So that means this list will start from E, like A, B, C, D, E. E is at the fifth position. So list will start from E. So let's check the output of this syntax. You can see on your screen now, the list is starting from E, F, G because I changed the value of the start attribute to 5. Let's do the practical of this topic now. I'm opening the notepad file. I'm typing the HTML code now. Starting with HTML, I'm directly writing the body tag. Under body tag, I'm using the OL tag. Then I'm taking the three list. Say number 1, li, number 2, li, number 3, and I'm closing the OL tag now here. HTML is not a case sensitive language, so you can open and close the tag in any case. Like I have opened the tag, this in capital letter, while I'm closing this in small letters. So it's not a case sensitive language. After writing the code, I will save my file with the list dot with the .html extension so that the browser can understand my file and open it as a web page on the screen. To save your file, so let's see the output of this code that we have written. Here is the output. By default, the list is appearing in numbered format 1, 2, 3. So let's change the type of the list now. Let's say I'm changing the type is with small I. So save your file, go to the browser, press F5 key to see the update. Now you can see that the list type has been changed from numerical 1 to Roman numeric value with small letters like capital small I. Let's do some more changes in our notepad file. Now I'm changing the start value to 5. Check the output now. As you can see this, the list is starting from the number 5. So start attribute is used to change the starting position of your list, like from which number your list will start. At one time, you can assign only one value to the type attribute, and start attribute will always contain the numeric value only. And this value will be without quotes. Let's change the type value. Let's say small small a. Save it. Go to the browser to see the output. Press the F5 key. Now you can see that the type of the list has been changed from numerical Roman numeric numbers to small alphabets like E, F, G. Why it is starting from E? Because the start value is 5. So list will start from E. A, B, C, D, E. E is the fifth position. I hope all these points are very clear. I'm repeating again. OL is a list that is used to display the text in the list endpoints format by using the numbered list like 1, 2, 3, ABC. It is a container element, and li tag will be used to display the content in the list format. The OL tag has the two attributes, the type and start. Type that is used to change the type of the list, and it can contain the one value, either of five values. By default, the type is 1. You can change the value 1 to capital A or small a, capital I or small I to change the type of the OL list. And start attribute is used to change the starting position of your list.